Okay, so back to my very unscientific sealant test here on the hood of my 2024 F-150. I'm going to be getting rid of this truck in about a month and a half, so I don't know if I'll be able to post another video of like this or not, but anyway, ceramic all-in-one wax by Griot's in one quadrant, ceramic liquid wax in another, ceramic 3-in-1 spray-on wax on the back side there, and then in front we've got 303 Graphene Nano Spray coating and Adams Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating Advance. God, they need to rename that. And then I just had some Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax laying around, so I thought I'd try that. But anyway, what follows is a few video clips, poorly done, that kind of show what it looks like being hosed off. I would say the ceramic all-in-one wax in the passenger side back corner of the hood probably has fared the worst out of them. And I don't know, it's only been a couple months since all the rest of them, they look okay. But see what you think. I posted this here first, this still screenshot for reference. You can come back and take a look and see what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, so here's my red hood, and I haven't washed it. I mean, it's been through automatic car washes, but I haven't did anything to the 6 quadrants, you know, as far as detail spray or anything like that. So I'm just going to mist it with water right now, and you guys can see where what it looks like after that. Again, this, and then I'm going to wash it after this, but here we go. So the Adams Graphene Coating Advanced is in the front center, which is kind of the slowest to get rid of the water here, but there is PPF. You can see the little line right there, and it's what you could say it's hydrophilic. Again, this is without washing. I'll wash it in a second, see what happens. I don't know, they're all kind of holding up pretty decent. Over in the left front, that's not doing as well. Neither is the, well, left front as I'm looking at it right now. Left rear, not so great. God, that front center, you know what that is? That's the Griot's right there in the center. That's the Griot's liquid wax. I'll clarify it. Anyway, okay, back up the camera here a little bit more. So I just put rinseless wash, RRW, on this. I don't think it's got a lot of hydrophobics, but I know this is not processed, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off with a hose and see what happens. See the hydrophobic encapsulation Widoronic activity there. Oh, it does make a difference when it's clean. Honestly, I would say that passenger side corner is not doing the best. However, the rest of it, pretty decent. Just that back corner over there doesn't seem to be holding up. I believe that was the Griot's all-in-one ceramic wax, polish, compound, finish, all-in-one. All right, I'm gonna dry it off, try it again. Okay, third test here. This is after it's been cleaned with RRW, granted rinsed with pressure washer, but what the hell. And then attempted to dry it with a purple Grant's 16 by 16 Harbor Freight towel. They do not dry well. But anyway, so now it's dry, clean, and here's a shot of the coatings. Whoa. Sorry, I had to adjust the sprayer. Trying to do this left-handed. Try it again. God, even that left corner, that one. You know what? I don't have a winner here. I still say the all-in-one, not the best. Other than that, honestly, they're all the same.